Now we are going to replace interior brake pads too. This is the rear caliper. We're going to use the same basic tools and techniques, and I'm going to show you how it is going to be done. First, we need to disconnect the brake pad wear sensor, and after that we have to start removing these pins and this spring plate. Unfortunately, I cannot remove this plate until I remove the upper pin. Here are the pins and the plate. I think the sensor is still good. We're going to check it later. Here are the brake pads and the brake cylinders. I have to put the pistons back with a flat screwdriver. Let's see what is going to happen. On some cars you need to release the handbrake. Here the handbrake is installed inside the brake disc. Best way to do that is to put the screwdriver between the brake pad and the brake disc. Now I can remove the brake pads. I need this. These are the old brake pads. They're on 30 to 40% left, but I prefer to change them all. Yeah, the sensor is still good. I'll try to remove it without breaking it. Yeah, it's still good. Now I have to clean the brake caliper. Now I'm trying to remove carefully the piston seal and to put some fluid, silicone grease. This was cleaned previously. I forgot something. This is the old brake sensor, and I'm going to reuse it. Now you may hear the squeaky noise of the bedding surface of the EBC Yellow stuff brake pads. You You can see that braking coating started to resurfacing the disc. Here are what's the results after 30 kilometers of city driving. The wheel is covered with dust. It's only for 30 to 40 kilometers of city driving.